welcome back. I'm your white mage, and today we have a very special treat. We have a box of Opus 5 Japanese. Alright, let's get into this thing. The Wraiths and Knight starter deck has already come out. So I'm not particularly looking for any Phoenixes or Diabolos. But there's some good looking, maybe a Japanese foil Phoenix. That might be something I can get behind. Oh. Ooh, Ishtola, Japanese Ishtola. Looks good. Papalimo and a Luso. Foil Arc. And a Japanese Star Symbol. Canyon. And a Vaughn. I don't remember the standard unit's name, but I do remember Royal Ripeness. Sid Reigns. And an Adele. Foil Carbuncle. And the Emperor. Trickster. And an Edward. A Mughal Knight. And a Calbrena. Noel. And an Alua. That's another card that's been reprinted. Opus has been very reprinted. Sid Polendina. And an Ingus. Foil Emperor. And a Thancred. I think I'd be happy with a foil Orphan. Foil Edward. I didn't even know that that's something that I wanted. Foil Buckaboo. And a Lunette. Foil Gunner. And an Alidai. Bunker Beast. And an Aria. Foiled Miner. Wow. These things are very, very hard to find. Very hard to come by. And a Yang. foil Hilgigas, and a Diabolos. Foil Mog 13-2, and a Carbuncle. Foil Ilua. Wow, it's still a really good looking card. And a Glossia. Orator and Ozma. Orator. Foil Assassin. And a Camlinaut. Wow, Opus 5 has been really reprinted the more I think about it. Camlinaut, Ilua, Diabolos, Phoenix. Both here. And a Zemus. Oh, foil Glacia. That's just gorgeous. And a Tella. Psycom Enforcer. And an Odin. Foil Luneth. And a Twilight Odin. Thief. And a Bismarck. I actually don't remember this guy's name. I think it starts with something like a Q. And then we got an Orphan. Tomberry. And a Death Gaze. With, as you can see, no misprint. It was fixed. Rex. And a Sid Polendina. Got Ninja. And a Refia. Ozma. And a Wool. Oh man, Wool would be a really nice pick. Got the Black Knight. And a Cloud of Darkness. Alright, we're down to one foil legend left. See if we can get it. No. Alright, last pack. See if we can get our last foil legend. There she is. Foil Cloud of Darkness. And a keychain. Alright. I'm pretty happy with this box. Not as many reprints in my Legends piles as there could have been. I'm very glad for that. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.